Mr. Arabis is there. The DSO representative of CAP, and the other leader director, my director.
The Minister of Energy, Ruth Nankabirwa, has commenced the handover of 105 resettlement houses, land titles, and agricultural inputs to people whose primary residences were affected by the East African crude oil pipeline project. The 105 houses are part of the planned 205 houses to be built. They are fitted with a solar-powered system and a rainwater harvest tank. All beneficiary households were assisted by Total Energies Uganda.
Bino in Chukube and on Lake Albert, and this one is in Tilenga, which is developed by Total Energies. So they have been working on houses for the project-affected people. In total, Total was supposed to work on 235 houses, and as I speak now, 135 houses are done, and 30 were commissioned and given away. Today we have commissioned 105 houses to the project-affected people. But there are also agricultural inputs that have been delivered by Total, and I want to thank them very much. Value addition machinery that is going to see cassava, which is basically planted in Buliisa, being properly handled. Post-harvesting handling is very critical, and also storage is very critical, so that you are not forced to sell your cassava flour because you have nowhere to store it. So those are very key, important things that brought me here, and I am happy that I've seen the houses which are in good conditions, and the beneficiaries are also going to engage in production of food which is going to be eaten here on the site. The second one, I wanted to check on the rigs that are being installed in this area. There are 3 rigs in the country here for Tilenga, and one which is almost completed is at Jobiri 5, which is up, and we will be seeing them, commissioned in the nearest future. The one where we are standing now, which is the Jiri 3, is almost 85% completed. And work is going on very well. Everything is on the ground. There is nothing that they are waiting for, which is overseas. Every material is here, and I am so happy that even the central processing facility is moving on very well. Last time I came there were only trucks doing the, grading and ferrying maram from here to there. Now we are able to see road infrastructure within the central processing facility being worked on. The entire place sits on 729 acres, and it is all going to be occupied by the facilities that we want to see that the crude oil from the ground is the...
Nankabirwa also visited Tilenga Project Industrial Area, where the central processing facility is taking place. Tilenga Project has over 426 oil wells to be developed in 31 locations, of which 10 oil wells are found in the Makshon 4 National Park.